Go or come after a person or thing. Go or come after a person or thing. Proceeding ahead. Follow. Follow. अनुसरण करना. Go or come after a person or thing. Proceeding ahead. Follow. अनुसरण करना. Chief of a group or workman. Chief of a group or workman. Foreman. Foreman. Chief of a group or workman. Foreman. अधिकर्मी. अधिकर्मी. Scientific test. Scientific test or technique. Scientific test or technique used in connection with the detection or crime. Forensics. Forensics. Ability to see what might happen in the future. Foresight. Be deprived of property. Be deprived of property of a right or privilege as a penalty for wrongdoing. Forfeited. Move ahead or forward steadily. Move ahead or forward steadily and gradually. Falsification of documents. Forgery. Direct and outspoken. Forthright. A period of 2 weeks. Fortnight. A period of 2 weeks. Fortnight. Something that is to your advantage but happened. Something that is to your advantage but happened by chance. Fortuitous. The hard remains of a prehistoric animal or plant that are found inside a rock fossil. An abandoned child of unknown parents who is found by somebody founding. An entrance hole in a building used by the public, especially a hotel or theater. Foyer. Something which gets broken easily. Fragile. Weakness and poor health. Frailty. Constitutional right to cast vote. License granted to an individual or group to market a company's goods or service in a particular territory. Franchise. Murder of one's brother or sister. Fratricide. An act of deceiving somebody in order to make money. Fraud. Causing or affected by anxiety or stress. Fraud. The feeling of being upset or annoyed as a result of being unable to change or achieve something. Frustration. A person who has escaped from captivity or is in hiding. Fugitive. Doing something awkwardly or in a clumsy manner. Fumbling. One who walks on ropes. Funambulist. An organization that raises money for a particular cause. Fundraiser. Simple fast spreading plant without flowers or leaves. Which can often cause disease. Fungus. फफूंदी. ये ब्लैक बुक ऑफ इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी पेज 27 है.